Hey, it's Todd, Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is annuity. Now, an annuity is a steady stream of income, and annuities are purchased. Now, why are they purchased? Let's say you play the lotto. When you see the lotto, they say you can get a cash payment, which is a reduction in the amount that you're going to be paid, or they say you can get this payment over time, say 26 years. The lotto, the actual state departments, go and buy an annuity from an insurance company to pay you those 26 payments, but they pay it today in today's cash value, but they guarantee those payments over a certain period of time. Retirees all the time buy annuities because they want to make sure they have a steady flow of income without risk, so the insurance company will take their money, they'll invest it in their own portfolio for the insurance company, but guarantee a payout to the individual investors. Hey, as a side note for annuities, this is important to understand that the annuities are guaranteed by the insurance company, and insurance companies can fail. One of these examples is Executive Life. It was a failed insurance company, and it settled a lawsuit for someone that was injured. But that lawyer was smart enough to make sure that that lawsuit that was settled was also guaranteed by the individual company buying the annuity. So when Executive Life failed, the company had to step up and they had to pay those payments. Annuities are not a guarantee. They're a guarantee from a life insurance company or some form of insurance company. But annuities are very popular and can be used for retirement planning. Today's word is annuity.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.